Look at this beauty of a tow truck. Oh Lord. All it needs is a 12 valve under the hood and I'm gone. Finally got some decent weather. It's -6 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much it is with the wind. Not that much wind going anyway, but finally gonna go wash this pig. Gonna find out what's hiding underneath all the fucking dirt. See what we're really working with here. So yeah, should be good. See you guys in a bit. Okay, made it to the car wash. Let's see what we can do. TRACKHAWK all washed up. Discovered a little bit more dings and damage and stuff, but we'll do a quick walk around overview. Stuff we already knew, obviously. Front bumper and associated trim. Front left fender, again associated trim and clips, and the wheel flare, wheel arch. The hood just barely made it, got really lucky there. Also got lucky on this door panel, but I think the door panel is gonna have to get resprayed anyway, I think. Side skirt, close up of the A-pillar damage. It's all scratched and pried, and the paint's all messed up really bad, obviously. And then I think this is called shadow line trim or whatever. And then inside the door frame, it's all scratched up. Inside this door frame is all scratched up. I don't know if you can see that with the sun. There's a little spot right here that's also chipped. This door is gonna have to get redone anyway, because she's messed up right here. Again, another wheel flare or wheel arch flare, whatever you guys call it. So back bumper is all scratched up here. You gotta love black cars, eh? Literally just drove like 3 or 5 kilometers from the car wash and it's filthy. Found the point of impact on this bumper right here, so that's why it's not sitting right here. It's not sitting flush. So refinish back bumper. I'm actually gonna flip this thing around so the sun hits the passenger side, so bear with me for a sec. Little scuff there where it looks like it was pushed into me, unless it was pushed on the other side where it's all scratched up. But you can see it's not sitting flush right here. I know we already went over lots of this stuff, but this is just the walk around of it now that it's clean. So back half looks decent, but I found more scratches and dings on this panel here where they were trying to get into it. Right there's another one, right there's another one scratched here. I can catch my fingernail on it. And a crease there, scratch there. So I already replaced this. This is new. Glass is new, obviously. And then moving on to the interior. I guess passenger side is not the best side, but nav screen and the bezel is all mangled. You can see that lifted piece there from them prying on it. And then on this outer edge, it's all creased, again from prying. There's a couple scuffs and dings on this panel, and then this button is busted out. Oh, sorry, trim panel tools. And then cigarette burns in the back seat. Other side, I'll show you. Couple burns there. So that's the gist of it. Back tires are peeled too, so needs a set of tires. That's the girl. We'll see what we do with her.